shot to Patrick Wynn. Davis to the 25, sets Wynn. White top. Here comes White top, Martinez. Against being hit by the net. Will. Patrick Wynn. One top. Oh, nice hit. Nowhere to go for the Jets. One top, 355, hit Ethan Smith at 27. And at 23, making contact. That's Crosby in the 66. Way down. Come on, Jimmy, get it off. Rousey, nice hit to zero. Mike Moore, winds off. Mikulski, full in the pit. Ryan winds off. Got a hit on Rousey. Trying to fold up his side. Fourth and win. Well, he's trying to spin out of it. Can't get anywhere to go for Crosby. Got a dead on water. Heine in the 65, winning the 6. Still, Morris still going. Trying to get it on, so. Heine in line off, Morris. Still up there. Comes right back, man. There went the radiator home. Oh, that's it. Ryan Weinstock, Patrick Wynn, and Heine in the 65. Still left. Now the 3. 365. Goes to 66. Goes to left. Weinkauf and Patrick Wynn. How many wants the 365? How about the 6 of Patrick Wynn? That's who it's down to. So it's 365 and Patrick Wynn. Can Patrick win? Or is it going to be Weinkauf? Trying to see how their cars are going to turn. Look at Wynn, he's steering that steering wheel all over the place. There's no steering on that thing. Yeah. Oh, he's going to try. They want to bend him up. They want to bend him up, Alonso. How do you think? Yeah. They want to put on a show for you. These guys have been doing it for a while. Respecting each other and smashing. Weinkauf's going after Patrick Wynn for the win. Does the car don't want to start? That was a good one in the fender. Oh yeah. Weinkauf going after Patrick Wynn. Gonna try to get another hit as the car shuts down. Oh boy. Your winner, the 365, Ryan Weinkauf of Rindle. Sponsored by Sun.